Hi, I'm Jacques Pépin and I'm cooking at home. I love fruit dessert, and of course I use a lot of fresh fruit throughout the summer, spring, but there's nothing wrong with can. Here I have a can of peach and I do something with it. I'm doing a dish here inspired by my friend Marty, who did something similar to me once. And I have a piece of leftover bread here that we're going to cut into pieces like this, like 6 pieces, 5-6 pieces. I have a can of peach here. I'm going to put the liquid from the peach right there. You know, actually the bread right into it. We soak it with the syrup. Let me see how many peach do I have in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 5 I have enough here. So I'm going to put a piece on each of the bread, like this, in a gratin dish. That's it. And cover the center of it with a little piece of butter. Don't even have a here, and a bit of apricot. I love apricot jam, so like I put a good teaspoon on each one of those. Of course I don't need sugar here because the syrup is sweet enough. Okay, so the yellow peach, of course, and get your peach at the market. You can do it with the fresh peach just exactly the same way. So I'm going to put that in the oven, 350 degrees. And here is my peach Marty. They've been in the oven about 25 minutes. As you can say, nothing is lost at my house. Can of peach, leftover bread. Okay, I have a little bit of sour cream maybe here on the side. A little sprig of mint. That's from my garden. And this is it. The peach Marty, absolutely delicious, in can or fresh. Happy cooking.